From humble beginnings to a global phenomenon, noodles and pasta have shaped diets and cultures for millennia. But where did this beloved staple truly begin its remarkable journey? Evidence points to ancient China, specifically the Ligia archaeological site, where a 4,000-year-old bowl of millet noodles was unearthed, astonishingly preserved, hinting at origins far older than previously thought. These earliest known noodles weren't made from wheat but from millet, a hardy grain cultivated in China's Yellow River Basin. This discovery rewrites our understanding of grain-based noodles. Across the world, ancient Romans enjoyed laganum, a layered dough often fried or baked, resembling an early form of flatbread or lasagna, a distant ancestor in the pasta lineage. Though less directly documented, ancient Greece also had dishes featuring layered unleavened dough sheets, suggesting a parallel development or interconnected culinary evolution across the Mediterranean basin. Later, Arab traders and conquerors played a crucial role, carrying dried noodle recipes westward across North Africa and into Sicily. This dried form facilitated long-distance travel and preservation. Sicily, a vital Arab trading post, became an early European center for pasta production, particularly dried pasta. Its favorable climate and access to durum wheat laid the groundwork for Italian pasta. Contrary to popular myth, Marco Polo did not discover pasta in China and bring it back to Italy. Pasta existed in Italy for centuries before his travels, as documented by earlier sources. By the medieval period, various forms of pasta were common across Europe, though often distinct from modern Italian varieties. These were typically made with softer wheats and were less widely consumed. Southern Italy's climate proved ideal for durum wheat, a hard, high-gluten grain supremely suited for making dried pasta that retained its shape when cooked. This set Italian pasta apart. The ability to produce and efficiently dry pasta, especially using durum wheat, became crucial. This process allowed pasta to be stored for long periods, making it an economical food for travelers and armies. Naples emerged as the heart of Italian pasta culture, especially for dried pasta. Its accessibility to durum wheat, maritime trade routes, and a large working-class population needing cheap, filling food fueled its growth. The tomato, initially viewed with suspicion in Europe, was embraced in southern Italy and eventually became the iconic partner for Neapolitan pasta. This culinary marriage transformed pasta dishes forever. Technological advancements, like the invention of mechanical presses and drying rooms, standardized pasta shapes and improved production. This era saw the birth of many familiar pasta forms we know today. As Italians emigrated in large numbers, they brought their pasta traditions worldwide. From the United States to Argentina, their culinary influence helped introduce and popularize pasta dishes globally. Meanwhile, in Japan, a distinct noodle tradition thrived. Ramen, believed to have Chinese origins, evolved significantly, becoming a cornerstone of Japanese cuisine with countless regional variations and rich broths. Vietnam's culinary landscape features pho, a fragrant noodle soup with a history linked to French colonization and the availability of beef. Its complex broth and fresh herbs define its identity. In Thailand, pad thai evolved from simpler noodle dishes, influenced by Chinese and Indian cooking. The wok-fried noodles, often served with tamarind, peanuts, and chili, represent a dynamic sweet, sour, and savory balance. Europe also boasts unique noodle-like creations, such as the Swiss Spätzle. These small, irregular dumplings made from a simple batter are comfort food, often served as a side or with rich sauces. Similarly, German Knödel, made from potato or bread, offer a varied dumplings experience, from light and airy to dense and hearty. They are a staple in Bavarian and Austrian cuisine, paired with meats and gravies. A cousin to pasta, North African couscous, made from semolina granules, is steamed and served with rich stews. Its unique preparation method, involving rolling semolina, sets it apart. The Columbian exchange introduced new grains like corn and potatoes to the Old World, while wheat traveled to the Americas, further diversifying noodle and pasta ingredients and their potential global applications. The Industrial Revolution dramatically changed pasta production, enabling mass manufacturing. Steam-powered machines and improved drying techniques made pasta more affordable and accessible to the general population. In America, pasta, particularly spaghetti, became integrated into popular culture, famously depicted in spaghetti Western films. It symbolized resilience, the American dream, and a taste of home for immigrants. The humble noodle soup transcended its origins, becoming a universal comfort food. From Japanese ramen to Vietnamese pho and Italian tortellini and brodo, its simple elegance appeals to diverse palates. The invention of instant ramen revolutionized noodle consumption. Momofuku Ando's creation provided an incredibly quick, affordable, and portable meal, perfect for busy lifestyles and disaster relief efforts worldwide. Today, pasta remains a beloved global staple, enjoyed in countless forms and preparations. From traditional dishes to innovative fusion cuisine, its versatility continues to delight palates worldwide. The world of noodles is constantly evolving. Chefs and home cooks experiment with new ingredients, cooking techniques, and fusion concepts, pushing the boundaries of what noodle dishes can be. Modern understanding of nutrition influences noodle choices. Whole wheat, lentil, or rice noodles offer alternatives rich in fiber, protein, or gluten-free options, catering to health-conscious consumers. Each pasta shape tells a story of its intended sauce. Ridges catch sauce, tubes hold fillings, delicate shapes melt in your mouth. This subtle engineering enhances every culinary experience. Across continents, artisans painstakingly create noodles and pasta, by hand or with traditional tools. Their dedication preserves ancient techniques and ensures the unique texture and flavor generations have cherished. Noodles and pasta often play a central role in festivals and celebrations across cultures. From Lunar New Year longevity noodles to Italian feasts, they symbolize good fortune, community, and shared joy. Noodles offer an unbeatable combination of speed and flavor. Whether it's a simple ramen or a quickly sautéed pasta, they provide satisfying meals that fit modern, busy schedules perfectly. While Italian pasta is globally renowned, numerous Asian noodle traditions offer distinct flavors and textures. Understanding these differences enriches our appreciation for the sheer diversity of noodle-based cuisine. For many, noodles represent ultimate comfort. A warm bowl after a long day, a nostalgic taste of childhood, or a shared meal with loved ones. Noodles provide a simple, profound sense of well-being. While millet noodles were earliest, wheat cultivation later arrived in China, leading to the development of distinct Chinese wheat noodles. These softer wheat varieties became fundamental to northern Chinese cuisine. Noodles' adaptability is astounding. They can be served hot or cold, in broths, stir-fries, or baked dishes. This inherent versatility ensures their continued relevance in kitchens worldwide. Noodles and pasta frequently appear in literature, often symbolizing home, comfort, or simple sustenance. They are recurring motifs in stories reflecting everyday life and cultural identity. The beauty of pasta lies in its simplicity. Few ingredients, flour, water, sometimes egg, transform into a culinary foundation that can be elevated with endless sauces and toppings, making it accessible to all. Beyond wheat and millet, ancient grains like buckwheat have been used for centuries to make noodles. Soba noodles in Japan exemplify this, offering a distinctive nutty flavor and healthy alternative. Sauces are pasta's perfect complement, each designed to coat, cling, and enhance. From simple aglio e olio to rich ragouts and delicate cream sauces, they transform simple dough into a symphony of flavor. Noodle and pasta motifs have even inspired street art worldwide. Murals and graffiti celebrating these foods bring color, humor, and a sense of shared culture to urban landscapes. The seemingly simple addition of salt to cooking water is crucial for seasoning pasta from the inside out. It enhances flavor and texture, a fundamental step in any well-made pasta dish. Growing dietary needs have led to a boom in gluten-free noodles and pasta made from rice, corn, legumes, or alternative flours. These innovations make pasta enjoyable for a wider audience. Whether called pasta, noodles, ramen, or pho, these dough-based staples have united people through shared meals. They are more than sustenance. They are a universally understood language of comfort and connection. Culinary traditions often dictate noodle and pasta etiquette. From slurping ramen in Japan to twirling spaghetti in Italy, these customs add richness to the dining experience and show respect for culture. During recent global events, pasta and noodles experienced a resurgence as essential comfort foods and convenient pantry staples. The simple act of cooking them provided normalcy and connection. From ancient origins to modern marvels, noodles and pasta have woven themselves into the fabric of global society. They are a testament to food's power to bring people together. The journey of noodles and pasta is one of adaptation, innovation, and universal appeal. It's a delicious story that continues to unfold on plates around the world every single day. From ancient feasts to modern kitchens, noodles and pasta have nourished both body and soul. What's your favorite noodle dish or pasta memory? Share your story in the comments below.